Need to replace your MGZS key fob battery? First, locate the small release button on the back or side of your fob. Press this button to unlock the case. Then, gently use a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to wedge between the two halves of the fob. Be careful to avoid scratching the plastic. The case is held together by plastic clips, so apply gentle pressure until the case splits open. Remember, this process applies to MG-ZS models from 2017 to the current 2024 variants, including the ZS EV. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up with the plus sign. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Now test the fob to ensure it's working. To prolong battery life, typically 6 to 12 months, avoid exposing the fob to water or extreme temperatures. Note that newer models have improved water resistance with IP54 rating. If the fob fails after battery replacement, a faulty transmitter chip may be the issue, requiring professional repair. Regularly replacing the battery is key to keeping your MGZS key fob functioning properly.